Every video you've ever watched with epic cinematic music probably used the exact same track as thousands of other channels. Same song, same build-up, same drop. You've heard it 100 times, and so has your audience. That's why I stopped using stock music. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I do instead.
Packed a bag, left the city haze behind. Traded concrete streets for a sandy state of mind. Got my ticket, one way to the sun. Feels like my real life has just begun.
I've used AI music on this channel from the very start, but recently I did something different. I generated a track for my own vacation footage, not a stock track, something made for exactly what was on screen, and it worked better than I expected. That's what pushed me to sit down and really test this properly. Everything you're about to hear was made with one tool, ElevenLabs Music. By the end of this video, you'll have my exact prompts, and you'll know how to generate music made for your footage, not a track 1,000 other videos already used. Let's begin. Here's the footage I'm working with. A vacation video, tropical island, drone shots, golden hour, that warm, feel-good energy. Now, the old me would open a stock library and search tropical summer. The new me just writes a prompt. Here's the exact one I used. An upbeat tropical pop summer song with a warm male vocalist, acoustic guitar, steel drums, and soft synth pads, lyrics about a beach vacation and golden sunsets, 105 beats per minute, light and carefree, feel-good travel montage style. Listen to that. It's not generic. It sounds like it was made for this exact footage. I always generate 2 versions, so I can choose the one I like better. Now, it doesn't always nail the vibe on the first try. This one took me 2 attempts before the energy felt right.
Packed a bag, left the city haze behind. Traded concrete streets for a sandy state of mind. Got my ticket, one way to the sun. Feels like my real life has just begun. Oh, the golden hour, sinking low, painting colors only dreams can know. Salt in the air and you by my side, just soaking in this summertime. Woke up late to the sound of the sea. There's no other place I'd rather be. Barefoot walking, leaving tracks in the sand. Holding you, got the world in my hand. Golden hour, sinking low, painting colors only dreams can know. Salt in the air and you by my side, just soaking in this summertime.
So here's exactly how you can do this yourself. Inside ElevenLabs, open the Music tool. You'll see a prompt box in the middle of the screen. That's where you describe the song you want. Let's stop here for a second. There's a lot packed into this one sentence. Let's break it down. Upbeat tropical pop summer song sets the genre and mood right away. That's the foundation everything else builds on. Warm male vocalist isn't just add singing, it's telling the model exactly what kind of voice to use. Then come the instruments, acoustic guitar, steel drums, soft synth pads. Naming them specifically instead of just saying tropical sound is what actually gives you control over the final mix. Lyrics about a beach vacation and golden sunsets gives the model a subject to write about, so the words match the footage instead of being generic filler. And 105 beats per minute locks in the tempo. You don't need to be a musician to write this. If this all feels like too much to figure out on your own, just tell ChatGPT or Claude what vibe you're going for in plain English. Chill beach vacation song, and ask it to turn that into a proper ElevenLabs music prompt. It'll handle the structure for you. Now here's something important before you hit generate. Make sure you're on the newest model. Music V2 and select the number of variations and the time of your track. I always generate 2 versions at once, so I get to compare and pick the one that actually fits my footage. I set the time to 3 minutes, and I'll tell you why later on in this video. After a short wait, you get 2 tracks to choose from. Take the time to listen to both. If you're happy with one, download it and you're finished. Not quite there yet? That's exactly what the Edit Song section is for. Inside, you're not stuck regenerating the whole track. You can click on a single section, describe exactly what you want changed, and only that part gets rewritten. Don't like one specific word in the lyrics? You can edit that too, without touching the rest of the song. You can also extend the track if you need to. When you're happy, you download it. But you don't have to stop there. You can also publish it to the ElevenLabs music marketplace. If someone else finds your track and licenses it for their own project, you earn a commission. And that's exactly why I generate 3-minute tracks instead of 1-minute ones. A longer song gives buyers more sections to choose from. Prompts for some of my best generations are linked in the description, so you can copy them directly. If you want to try ElevenLabs yourself, there's a link below that helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. And if you want to see everything else this platform can do, check out my ElevenLabs tutorial. It's linked right here. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more. That's it for today, and I see you in the next one.